Some might say that I'm a loner, but I just call it being free. I am my heart's only owner.
Hey everyone, I'm Calvin with Southern Country Living.
And I'm Marie.
And I hope everyone's having a fantastic day. My question for you today, if you are a retired person, how do you take a day off? Do you have an answer for that, Marie?
I don't think a woman's work is never done. She never gets to retire.
Well, that's what I was thinking, you know. We call it retired, but, you know, from the time you get up in the morning, just doing the everyday chores of living is work, isn't it?
Yeah, it's just a little harder when you get older, but you just got to keep on moving because that keeps you going and keeps you strong, and take your rest breaks, but get it done.
That's right. And everybody says stop and smell the roses. So what do you do, Marie?
Well, every chance I get, that's what I do. I did that this morning.
You sure did. Well, we're calling this our day off, and but we do have to go to the doctor's office. Marie has a doctor's appointment today, so we're going to go there. And then I would like to go to Pick-O-Deli and have lunch today.
Sounds good
Is
to
that
me.
okay with you?
Yeah.
And you mentioned you wanted to go get something special after Pick-O-Deli.
Yeah, if I'm not too full, I might do that.
So we'll see how that works out today. But like I said, it's our day off. We're just going to relax and enjoy it. You've seen our video yesterday where Marie put up the Christmas tree. I hope you enjoyed that. We both had a lot of fun making that video, and we were a little bit tired afterwards, but it was a lot of fun.
I think it took us about 4 hours, didn't it?
You know, I didn't even time it, but we spent most of the evening doing it.
Yeah.
And the pictures turned out nice. We was real proud of it. And I went outside at nighttime and looked at it, and from the outside it looked real nice.
Yeah.
So, okay, everyone. So we're going to head on. Our first stop today will be the doctor's office, and hopefully that'll go nice and smooth. This is just a follow-up visit that Marie has to have annually. This is the doctor that found Marie's cancer back in 2015. And so anytime we go to see her, we're always a little nervous, aren't we, Marie?
Yeah.
But we're going to make the entire day, though, a relaxing day.
Yeah. I'm not too worried, though, because all of my blood work and everything and numbers has been good, so.
So everything should be fine.
Yeah.
Okay. Y'all come with us.
Okay, we're here at the doctor's office, and I'm ready to go in and get this over with.
Marie, you nervous in elevators?
I've had to go in a lot of them, that's for sure.
Okay, here we are.
Okay, we just came out of the doctor's office. It's around 2 o'clock, isn't it, Calvin?
It's actually 2:15.
Okay, and we're ready for lunch. We hadn't had lunch yet, so that's where we're headed. We're going to go to the Pick-O-Deli. Okay, my doctor visit looked pretty smooth, but there is one test that she wants to do, and so she's going to schedule that in maybe 2 or 3 weeks. But I don't like those tests, but they always have to seem like, you know, they have to do them.
Well, it's a preventive type
Yeah,
test to be
yeah.
sure that your cancer from 2015 has not come back.
Yeah. She didn't see any signs of it, but like Kevin said, it's preventive. So, I guess we're going to go on to the Pick-O-Deli now, and I'm really wanting to go.
You're like me, I'm ready to eat.
Right. I'm very
Way past our lunchtime. For a
right.
day off, we've had a good day so far, haven't we?
Yeah, but I'm wore out already.
Okay, let's
Okay.
go to the Pick-O-Deli and we'll see you over there.
Yeah. Okay, we just got here at the Pick-O-Deli and it's packed as usual. So let's go get in line, Calvin.
Sounds good.
Can I get the white gravy on it? Thank you for your section. With
I'm having chicken dressing, potato salad, cranberry salad, and pintos and Mexican cornbread. I said cranberry salad, but that's cranberry sauce.
And I'm having country fried steak and turnip greens. That's my favorite here.
Mine's really good today.
Mine was too. That first bite was really good. That sure is good.
Okay, we just came out of the Pick-O-Deli and the food was good as usual. I really enjoyed mine. How about you, Kevin?
Mine was excellent.
And so now I didn't get any dessert in there. I was thinking afterwards I was going to get a dessert somewhere else, and I was thinking of two places. So I decided to go to Crumble Cookie, and I'm hoping that they have a key lime pie cookie today. And so usually every time I go they don't have it. I know they just have it on certain days. So I'm hoping today is the day.
Okay, we'll go over and find out.
Okay. Hi.
What can I do for you?
Do you have key lime today?
We do not.
That's the second time they haven't had it when I wanted it.
Two more the week of Thanksgiving. We will have it. Matter of fact, the week of Thanksgiving we are doing totally pies that week. So all pies the week of Thanksgiving.
Okay.
We'll get one strawberry cookie.
Okay.
Strawberry. All right, is that gonna be it for you?
Yeah. I just came out of Crumble Cookies, and they didn't have my cookie that I wanted, key lime, but I got a nice strawberry one. So now I'm going to do the taste test and see if it's good. Let's see. Let's get a little bit. That's pretty good.
Well, let me do a taste test on that size piece, just like you just broke off for you.
Okay.
Just barely a pinch.
It tastes like it has a little bit of lemon juice in it. It's really good.
It does, yeah.
It's
But it is
warm.
strawberry.
Very good. But I don't know if it was worth $8.
I think it was only 5, wasn't it?
I thought she said 8.
Oh, we didn't get a receipt on it.
Okay.
I thought they were just $4.50 or something like that.
I
I don't know how much they are. I have no idea.
But anyway, it was good. It was worth it. Okay, so I guess we're going to close the video out now because we've done everything that we were going to do today while we were out. I had a great time. Got a pretty good doctor's report and had great food at the Pick-O-Deli. But as I'm looking towards, let's see, what way is that, Calvin?
That's probably south.
Okay. And it looks kind of cloudy. And it looks like it's going to rain, but it's been looking like that for almost 4 days, and we haven't seen any rain, have we?
No.
Okay, so we're going to close our video out now. So, yeah, excuse me. Do what you love and love what you do, and we'll see you on the next video. And y'all have a great day, and my voice is wearing out on me. Bye.
I stand by you when you're falling, when the river is calling. I said I love you forever. We can make it together. What goes up must come down. There's lots of friendly faces all around.